welcome to another episode of In the Kitchen with Yolanda. Today I'm going to be making quesitos, which are cheese turnovers. It's one of my favorite recipes. You just need a few ingredients. You can make this for any occasion. If you want to learn how to make it, stay tuned. The ingredients that you will need for this recipe are puff pastry sheets, 1 8-ounce of cream cheese, 3 tablespoons of confectionery sugar or regular sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, and corn syrup. So the first thing we're gonna do is the filling. We already have the cream cheese placed already here in the bowl. You have to make sure the cream cheese is at room temperature. We're gonna add the 3 tablespoons of confectionery sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're gonna mix until everything is well incorporated. Okay, so this is well mixed, and this is how it should look. Now we're gonna work on the puff pastry. I'm gonna remove them out of the box, and we're gonna cut them into triangles. If you notice, I love puff pastry because it's so easy and so convenient to work with. So, let me put them here on this tray sheet. I'm putting the other one on top, so it just makes it easier to cut it and we can get some even squares. All right, so now I'm gonna cut it with my pizza cutter. I'm gonna stack up on top. Okay. So now I'm gonna prepare these and put the filling in. Start off here on the side. Now you're gonna bring this flap in and then bring the other one over. All the way to the end. This is how it should look. Now I'm gonna work on putting the rest of these together. So these are all done. This made about 14 quesitos. So now I'm gonna put the egg wash on the top. It's just basically an egg and you just mix it up. This is gonna give that golden brown color. These are gonna be delicious. So these are ready to go in the oven at 400 degrees for for about 15 minutes or until golden brown. In the oven they go. So these are done. Wow. Look how beautiful they look. Look how beautiful these came out. Nice golden brown color. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to dress them up 2 different ways, with corn syrup and sugar, and then the other one with confectionery sugar. So now I'm gonna take my brush with the corn syrup and place it on top. It's gonna give it that nice shiny look. Look how shiny they are. Oh, these are gonna be so good. I can't wait, guys. Yummy. Not too much. These here. Okay. So now I'm gonna place the sugar on top. Not too much, just a sprinkle. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the other way to dress them up. Let me turn this over. And for this side, I'm just gonna use confectionery sugar, AKA powdered sugar. This looks so good. So this is the final result. Look how beautiful they look. Now I'm gonna try one. I'm so excited. So delicious. Not too sweet, crunchy, flaky. I know you're gonna love this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share this video. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
This has been an episode of In the Kitchen with Yolanda. Now you can get back to whatever it is you were doing. She's done.
Make sure you subscribe. You better like, share,
Hit that notification bell.
And comment down below.